this video I'll show you all Keyfob features. Firstly, thanks to the Keyfob, we can lock and unlock doors. We can open, close trunk. And also we can use automatic parking feature. Automatic parking feature can be set up in the dedicated app or cars system. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.